can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we're taking a look at an altcoin, Solana. Currently trading around $129, Solana has declined by 34% over the last 1 month and 28% over the last 1 year. We look at Solana's valuation against the US dollar on a weekly time frame. How high can Solana go in the coming days and coming weeks? And with a personal opinion that when a crypto bear market, when the early stages of that bear market, if the opinion is right, how low will Solana dump in that bear market? We look at Solana's valuation against Bitcoin, Solana's valuation against Ethereum, and we'll also look at Solana's dominance in the cryptocurrency market. But first, guys, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe for more awesome videos like this. And remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. Let's get down to business. Over the last few weeks, over the last few days, we have seen a decline in the cryptocurrency market, with Solana going from an all-time high of $295 dumping to as low as $111, losing around 62% of its value in just under 62 days. The crypto market can be very, very volatile. But it's not the biggest dump I've seen for Solana. If you go back in time, you see that huge dumps have led to huge pumps. So you should not be afraid. In the crypto market, one thing that will help you is when you buy in extreme fear, guys, in the next few months, you will see that we'll go back to extreme greed. But timing those periods of extreme fear and extreme greed is very important. If you look at Solana did from August of 2020, first we saw a decline of around 80% in just 112 days, which eventually led to one crazy pump that saw Solana going from as low as $1. In December of 2020, we saw Solana first hitting around the $60 level. This was in May of 2021, and when we had that relief rally where Bitcoin went to $69,000, we saw Solana getting to as high as $259. But guys, there was some telltale sign that the end was near for Solana as we were pumping to higher prices. If you had wondered how we would have known the top was in, the top for Solana's momentum using the RSI came in April of 2021. Since then, even though Solana's price went to a higher value, we saw the momentum reduce. That's Solana's went to as high as $214. We saw the momentum couldn't match the one we saw in April 2021, where Solana was trading just at $63. And even when Solana went to as high as $260 in November of 2021, we saw a further reduction in the momentum. That was a bearish divergence. So price was going high, momentum was going low. That was a telltale sign that Solana was in some deep trouble. What did that lead to? That led to Solana going from $255 in 2021, dumping to as low as $8 in December of 2022. Crazy ride, crazy 413 days. That's how volatile the crypto markets can be. Solana lost around 96% of its value in its first full crypto bear market. But then, huge dumps in the crypto market always leads to huge pumps, and that's what we saw with Solana from December of 2022. Solana went from $8, eventually getting to as high as $200 in March of 2024. But that's where things get interesting. March of 2024, Solana at $200 was a very good pump. You had gotten over 2,400% from Solana pumping from the bottom, but Solana has not gotten to new all-time highs, and we saw a decline in momentum yet again for Solana. Solana spent the next 6 months consolidating, but we saw momentum reducing. That even when Solana went to new all-time highs, even though Donald Trump launched his meme coin on Solana network, even though we saw Solana pumping to as high as $295, the RSI was telling us there's some telltale signs of trouble ahead. We saw another bearish divergence with price getting to new highs, with RSI unable to get to new levels. We saw a 173% increase in Solana. That's the final leg of the pump. In total, Solana had gone from $8 to as high as $295 in around 2 years. But guys, every pump leads to a dump, and we've seen the early signs of that dump. And with a personal opinion, we're starting a crypto bear market. We've seen Solana lose 61% of its value. I don't think we'll go down in a straight line, just like 2022, where Solana was going to dump 96% eventually. But first, we saw a 71% decline before we saw a counter rally. That counter rally lasted 3 weeks. That counter rally saw Solana pumping by 87%. I believe we're going to see similar situations right now. It doesn't mean we're going to pump by 86%, but I believe we'll do a counter rally that might see Solana rally to as high as $180. Maybe, just maybe, Solana might get to that $200 level. But you have to watch out, guys. The next pump is going to be a complacency bounce, according to my opinion, which is going to lead to a very big decline At the end of the bear market, I see Solana probably trading closer to $10 than it is to $100. I will not be shocked if we see Solana coming back to as low as $9 by the end of this crypto bear market. That sounds outrageous. That sounds very, very ambitious right now. You're wondering, you know what will take Solana towards $8? Ask yourself this simple question. We saw Solana pumping 2021 towards $265, and in just under a year, it came back down to $8. I won't be shocked if we can see that happen again. They say history doesn't repeat itself, but it sure does rhyme. Solana could easily be the Ethereum of this cycle, and by next cycle, you'll be wondering where all the gains go. Solana started pumping early in phases of this cycle, rallying crazily from the bottom, but right now on a yearly time frame, Solana is currently trading below where it was trading in March of 2024. In March of 2024, Solana was trading around $200. Meme coins were pumping. The sky is blue. We're all going to the moon. Right now, Solana is trading at $128. It's down around 38% from where it was trading this time last year. And there's extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market because right now, sentiment is in the gutter. Market participants are scared. That's what you expect after a huge decline. We have seen a decline in prices since Donald Trump got into office, since the 20th of January of 2022. When Donald Trump launched his meme coin on Solana, that has led to huge dump in the market. We have seen meme coins going down 90%. We have seen Donald Trump token itself going down by more than 80%. It's safe to say Solana network that was once the future of France, the future of finance, is now down in Goblin Town. If you look at Solana's valuation against Ethereum, if you've been holding Solana since 2022, you'll be shouting kumbaya, you'll be happy because you have been going to the moon. But history has shown us over time, if you go quickly to the moon, you're going to dump to Goblin Town, and Solana is showing some very huge signs of weakness, some huge bearish divergence. Solana's momentum against Ethereum started slowing down in December of 2023, and since then, even though Solana has rallied up against Ethereum in valuation, we have seen the momentum reduce. We have seen people selling their Ethereum back into Solana, reducing at a huge pace. And I'll be shocked, guys, if this is just distribution leading us further down to Goblin Town in the nearest future. In 2025, we're going to see Solana drastically lose value against Ethereum. When the market is dumping, we see Solana dumping harder than Ethereum and thus losing value more than Ethereum. After the 2021 bull market, Ethereum dumped by around 70%, Solana dumped by around 96%. In total, Solana lost 88% of its value against Ethereum. If you look at Solana's valuation against Bitcoin, it's tying up to this thesis that we're expecting one final pump before that huge dump to Goblin Town begins. That huge dump to Goblin Town could easily take Solana down towards $10. I know that sounds outrageous, but guys, just hold on. The market will give you what you deserve in due time. We've seen Solana outperform Bitcoin since June of 2023. We can even go back to as far as December of 2022. Since then, Solana had not gotten to where it was trading. After the bear market comes the bull market. Solana's bear market against Bitcoin saw Solana losing around 89% of its value. But Solana has been pumping, and we have seen majority of the gains already in Solana. By March 2024, Solana had rallied 536% against Bitcoin. But coincidentally, since then, that's when market participants got extra bullish on Solana, expecting to be the future of finance, the future of France, yada. But since March of 2024, Solana has seen a decline, losing around 52% of its value against Bitcoin. Which begs the question, is the bull market over? My short answer is yes. My long answer is we have one more pump before we see that big dump to Goblin Town. But Solana's dominance in the cryptocurrency market is showing early signs of those dumps to Goblin Town. That's fine problem. Rallying above the 3.8% region. Solana has not been able to capture more than 3.8% of the general cryptocurrency market. The highest we saw Solana getting to was when Donald Trump launched his meme coins. We saw people selling their meme coins, buying Solana just to buy some Solana memes, because the Trump meme was on Solana. Solana got to 3.94% of the general cryptocurrency market. Since then, we've seen a decline in the dominance of Solana in the cryptocurrency market. And I expect in the bear market, Solana's dominance to dump aggressively. In the bear market, Solana's valuation against the US dollar, against Bitcoin, against Ethereum will dump. But right now, we're expecting that one final pump, that relief rally bounce. That pump that will see market participants shouting, we're going to the moon, I'm not selling, Solana to 300, Solana to 400. But we might just get stuck below the $200 level. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Solana is trading at $128 with a fully diluted market cap of $76 billion and a market cap of $65 billion. Are you buying more Solana right now? Do you believe in the long-term future of Solana? Do you see us getting to $300, maybe $500 in 2025? Or are we gearing up for one big dump to Goblin Town? That's my point of view. Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more. Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.